Severe thunderstorm watch number 678 remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time Monday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Jackson, Lincoln, Morehouse, Ouachita, Richland, Union, West Carolina. Wynne. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Jackson Parish. This includes the city of Jonesboro, northwestern Wynne Parish, southeastern Bienville Parish, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles west of Jonesboro and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Hodge, East Hodge, North Hodge, and Whitman. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Jackson, and Wynne. Severe thunderstorm watch number